Hey, quick question. Someone asks you, so what do you do in your free time? And you just freeze. You know what you want to say, but the English words just don't come out. Sound familiar?
That happens to so many English learners. You have hobbies, you have things you love doing, but talking about them in English feels so hard.
Well, not anymore. Today, we are going to fix that. Stay with us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am Kate.
And I am Martin. Hey, everyone. So happy you are here today.
We say this every time, but we really mean it. We love making these videos for you.
We do. And today's topic is really fun. I think you are going to enjoy this one a lot.
Yes, before we start, if you are new here, welcome. This channel is for English learners. We talk slowly, we use simple words, and we make it fun.
And if you have been here before, hello again. You already know how we do things.
So let's get into today's topic. Are you ready, Martin?
I am always ready, Kate. Let's go.
Okay, so today we are talking about hobbies, how to talk about your hobbies in English.
This is such an important topic because in real life, people ask about hobbies all the time. At work, at school, when you meet someone new.
Exactly. It's one of the first things people talk about. What do you like to do? What are your hobbies? How do you spend your free time?
And if you don't know how to answer in English, it can feel really awkward. You just stand there and smile.
We have all been there. So today, we're going to give you the words, the phrases, and the confidence to talk about your hobbies in English.
By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say. So let's do this.
All right, Martin, let's start simple. How do you even say what your hobby is in English?
Great question. The most basic way is to say, my hobby is, and then you say the hobby. For example, my hobby is reading.
Simple. Or you can say, I like, and then add the verb with ing, like I like cooking, I like painting, I like playing football.
Yes, that ing form is really important. In English, after like, we usually say I like swimming, not I like swim. The ing makes it smooth.
Good point. So, for example, I like running, I enjoy hiking, I love drawing.
I love drawing. Actually, that is true. I used to draw a lot when I was younger.
Really? I did not know that. What did you draw?
Mostly cars. I was obsessed with cars. I would spend hours just drawing cars in my notebook during school.
During school, not paying attention in class?
Well, I was multitasking.
That's funny. Okay, so Martin likes drawing. What about now? What are your hobbies now?
Now, I really enjoy cooking. I find it very relaxing. After a long day of work, I go to the kitchen and just cook something. It helps me calm down.
Oh, that is so nice. Cooking is a great hobby, and it is useful too.
Exactly. You cook, you eat, everyone is happy. What about you, Kate? What are your hobbies?
I love reading. I read every night before I sleep, even just 15 or 20 minutes. It helps me relax, and I always learn something new.
That is great. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly fiction. I love stories, but sometimes I read books about psychology. I find it really interesting.
Wow, very smart. See, this is what we mean. This is how real conversations about hobbies go. You say what you like, and then you explain a little bit.
Yes, don't just say, I like reading. Add a little more. Say, I like reading because it helps me relax, or I enjoy cooking. I find it very fun.
That makes the conversation much better. It gives the other person something to respond to.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about some common hobbies in English so learners can have more vocabulary.
Great idea. Okay, so some very common hobbies are reading, cooking, watching movies, listening to music, playing video games, going to the gym, hiking, painting, dancing, gardening.
And sports, too, like playing football, playing basketball, swimming, cycling, running.
So many options. And one important thing, in English, we often say playing for games and sports. Playing football, playing chess, playing the guitar.
Yes, and we say going for activities that take you somewhere. Going hiking, going swimming, going to the gym.
That's a nice tip. Playing and going, two very useful words for hobbies.
And we say doing for some activities too, like doing yoga, doing photography, doing martial arts.
Right, so we have playing, going, and doing, three magic words for talking about hobbies.
Magic words. I like that.
Let's also talk about how to ask someone about their hobbies, because conversations are two ways. You need to ask too.
Yes, so you can ask, what do you do in your free time? That is very natural.
Or, do you have any hobbies? Also very common.
You can also say, what do you like to do for fun? That sounds very casual and friendly.
I like that one. What do you do for fun? It sounds relaxed, not too formal.
And then you listen to their answer, and you can react. You can say, oh, really? That sounds fun. Or, wow, I never tried that. Or, me too, I love that as well.
Showing interest is so important in conversation. Even simple reactions make the conversation feel warm and friendly.
Absolutely. And don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions, like, how long have you been doing that? Or, where do you usually do that?
Right. These small questions keep the conversation going. You don't have to do all the talking. Just show interest and ask questions.
That is actually a great tip for any conversation, not just about hobbies.
So true. Ask questions, listen, react. That is the formula.
Okay, let's share some tips now for people who want to practice talking about hobbies in English.
Tip number 1. Learn the vocabulary for your hobby first. Don't try to learn everything. Start with what you actually do.
Yes, if your hobby is cooking, learn cooking words. If you love football, learn football words. Start with what you know and love.
That way it's much easier to remember because you actually use those words.
Tip number 2, practice saying your hobbies out loud, not just in your head. Say it. My hobby is, say it 5 times.
Speaking out loud is so different from thinking. Your mouth needs to practice. Your brain knows the words, but your mouth needs to learn too.
That is so true. Tip number 3, describe your hobby with feelings. Don't just say what it is, say how it makes you feel.
Like, I love hiking because it makes me feel free. Or, I enjoy painting because it helps me be creative. Feelings make your sentences more interesting.
And people connect with feelings. When you say, I feel happy when I cook, people understand you better.
Great tips, Kate. One more tip from me. Watch videos or read articles about your hobby in English. That way you learn hobby vocabulary in a natural context.
Oh, that is a great one. If you love football, watch football commentary in English. If you love cooking, watch English cooking shows.
Learning English through something you already love is so much easier and more fun.
Okay, let's do some example practice now. We will show you a short conversation. Listen, and then you can try it yourself.
Ready? Here we go. Imagine you meet someone new. They ask you, what do you do in your free time?
And you say, I really enjoy hiking. I go hiking every weekend. It helps me feel refreshed. What about you?
And they say, oh, that sounds amazing. I like painting. I paint at home. It makes me feel calm.
Wow, that's really cool. How long have you been painting?
See how natural that is? Short sentences, simple words, real feelings.
Now you try it. Pause the video right now. Answer this question out loud. What do you do in your free time? Say 2 or 3 sentences.
Go on, pause and try it. We'll wait.
We really will wait. Okay, welcome back. How did it feel? Maybe a little uncomfortable at first? That is totally normal.
The more you practice, the easier it gets. Every single time.
Okay, it's time for our question of the day.
Yes, we love reading your answers in the comments. It's our favorite part.
Today's question is, what is your hobby? Tell us in English in the comments below. Write 1 or 2 sentences. For example, my hobby is photography. I love taking pictures of nature.
Yes, write your answer below. It's great practice, and we read every comment.
We really do, so don't be shy. Write something, even if it's short, even if it's simple. We want to hear from you.
And if you see someone else's comment, maybe say something nice to them. Let's make this a supportive community.
I love that idea. We are all learning together here.
Okay, everyone, that is it for today's video.
We talked about how to talk about hobbies in English. We learned vocabulary, phrases, questions, and tips.
I hope you feel a little more confident now. Next time someone asks, "What are your hobbies?" you will know exactly what to say.
And remember the magic words playing, going, and doing. Use those and you will sound very natural.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And subscribe if you haven't already. We post new English practice videos every day. You do not want to miss them.
Also, share this video with a friend who is learning English. Maybe they need this today.
Thank you so much for watching. You are wonderful. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep going.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Take care.